Hey guys, Jeff here from LDV. Today we're going to walk you through how to operate the liftgate on your Snap-on franchise truck. Step one would be to find the liftgate remote in your truck, and then you'll see here on the power cord on the remote there is a tab on top along with the plug on the truck, so that's the way you want to plug it in. And then there is a nice little holder up here on the truck as well that you'll mount the controller in. So once you have that done, you'll want to remove there's two pins that lock the liftgate in place. So the first step, you want to remove the cotter pin and then remove the gate pin on both sides. Again, another cotter pin and the large pin. And then you're all set to lower the gate. You'll just want to make sure the area around the gate is free and clear of any people or anything like that. And then to put it down, you just push the bottom button here, and the liftgate will automatically go down itself and open itself with the cam mechanism that's on the liftgate. So we'll lower it all the way to the ground here. And then you want to open up the cart stop here. So you'll push this in, pull the pin out, and now you'll be able to roll your toolboxes on the truck. You're on the liftgate. So then there are some safety items on the liftgate itself. One would be the side rails. So to open these, you just pull this lever aside and then deploy the guide rails. There's one on each side here. Same thing on this side. So once those are deployed, then you'll want to put open the cart stop here. So to do that, you just kick the black little plunger right here, and then that'll pop up a cart stop here so the toolbox doesn't go rolling into the back of the truck. And there's also one on the liftgate extension right here as well. Same thing, you'll just want to kick that in so the toolbox doesn't roll off the back of the gate. So then once you have your toolbox loaded, or before you load it, you can open up the doors in the back of the truck. And this is important. There are magnets and contacts on the back of the truck and both the rear doors. So you'll want to make sure that the doors are all the way open or all the way closed, or the liftgate will not go up. Make sure they're locked in, and then now you're all set to raise the liftgate and install your toolbox. Alright, so once you have your liftgate almost all the way up, you can come in the truck, and another way to raise or lower your liftgate is there's a toggle switch here. It's behind a carpeted panel on the passenger side of the truck. So we can raise the gate up to where it stops, and then you'll want to grab your liftgate transition piece here, because you can see there's a void between the liftgate and the truck itself. So you'll want to install the transition piece in this void, and now you can safely transfer your toolbox into your truck. Alright, so now that you have the toolbox loaded in your truck, here is how you close your liftgate and wrap it up to head to the next stop. So we'll start by closing the cart stop on both ends of the liftgate, and then we'll close the safety rails as well, locking them back in place. And then we'll fold the extension up here, locking that back into place with the pin. And then to lift it up, you'll notice the yellow handle right here. You'll want to step on this until the cams hit the back of the truck, and then it'll fold up. once the gate is in the saddles up top, you'll just want to reinsert the liftgate pin with the cotter pin on one side and then the other. And then you'll always want to remember to take out your liftgate remote out of the cradle and set this back in the truck. And that is how the liftgate operates on your MT-55 franchise truck. Part of your routine maintenance for your liftgate, you'll want to lubricate the cart stop extension plunger here on the back, and then also on the front of the gate itself. There's another one up here. You can use a spray lubricant for that. And also you'll want to power wash and grease the rails. And we do have a more detailed video of the routine maintenance procedures on the liftgate on our website and our YouTube channel as well.